Hi, I'm Gia from the Jet Shopper, here at the Origami Showroom in New York City. I'm going to show you some quick tips to customizing your own shirts to prove to you that you don't have to work in the fashion industry to be your own fashion designer. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own custom do-it-yourself t-shirt. Start with a simple white t-shirt. Lightweight, goes with everything. Put it on a surface. And then look for your favorite pins. I've been collecting these pins from Anna Sui for a few years now. These were only $1. So what you can do to make the shirt your own personal, with your own personal style, you can just safety pin these pins on one by one in the order that you'd like. So here's a flower made out of some silk fabric, but then you can also add one with rhinestones to add a little bit more sparkle. And for even more effect, you can add even more. So here I'm adding another pin, the same pin as I just used, so there's some symmetry. And now we have our own custom t-shirt. Thanks for joining me. If you love shopping as much as I do, go to thejetshopper.com for the latest updates on international shopping.